to my channel. So today I decided to stop by this Home Depot that's close to my house, and it is not disappointing. Hold on, let me move this plant that they placed on top of there. Super cute ones. These look like they recently all came in, but somehow they've been knocked over. I don't know by. There's some really cute ones in here. I wish I knew the names. Oh, look at how pretty. Lots of pretty, cute plants. I don't know what to do with all this stuff. It's all tipping over. Ooh, look at this Haworthia. But they, I don't know, that one looks a little dry on the thin side. Like, look at this one. See that in here? I feel like it's a little sunken in, so could use a little water. So maybe they didn't get recently here, because you can see some of the plants look on the drier side. These are inside. So someone, one of the workers told me that this display now has to be inside. Oh my gosh, guys! What? Hold on. This is so cute. I have a similar one, because this one is lighter, but it could be because it's dressed. But oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that beautifulness. This one has a little damage here. But look at how fat that is. That one's bigger than that one. Sorry guys. So this one is bigger than that one. Oh, I like it. Let me look at them all. So pretty. So yeah, hopefully you doesn't pick up the song playing in the background. Look at this one. I wonder which one is this one. This does not look. It looks similar to. It's very not Lenosina. The other one, Succulents, is it? I think, or Morning Beauty, but it's not. So I don't think that's what that is, guys. I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I don't think I have this, and I definitely want that. That looks so pretty together too. I'm paranoid over here because of the music. Look at this, guys. So cute. Super cute. I'm gonna probably take that as well. So yeah, some really unique plants. This is from Costa Farms. Yes, Costa Farms, Miami. So you want to look for these inside of Home Depot. Just look. Walk around through the beginning. You'll see it. But look at these. Yep. Hopefully, guys, I won't have to put music over this, because you can hear the music playing in the background. YouTube doesn't like when I do that. So this one looks so pretty too. So hard not to, guys. So hard not to. Look at that. Wouldn't that be a beautiful arrangement? I know they're all different, but they're so pretty. Yeah, I might have to get all those right there that I'm putting right there. Okie dokie. Let me get like a cart or something. I'm over here now by the pots. I didn't get the Haworthia. I just went with these. And then I wanted to get pots that are like this, but smaller. Then they have these. These are taller. See, I just like the short one of these, but a little bit smaller. So I think another Home Depot might carry it. See, that's pretty big. And this one's too tall. See, it wouldn't be. So I would like this size, but this height. That's what I'm looking for. See? Anyways, guys. So yeah, we'll see if I can find it another day in another Home Depot. Let's check out some more Costa Farms. This size, guys, this is a very affordable size. This is really big. and it's $4.98. So you can get some really big plants for $4.98 when you see this Desert Escape. And then they also have this. This one's a little bit more than the Walmart one. So this will be, I believe, almost $13 here. Yes, 13 and 10 at Walmart. So if you want to save a few bucks, you can do that. And then they have more over here. Look at this beautiful big Echeveria lilocina. That's really big. And then they have this one. That's really pretty. I'm not sure what that one is. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't have it. Some kalanchoes, more kalanchoes, and that's it. And then they have more of these. Those don't look too good right there. On this side we have a lot of Altman plants. This one is Devil's Backbone Nova. Devil's Backbone Nova. So I didn't know that they had other ones that had different names. Because mine is a Devil's Backbone, but I don't know what type. And then they have, this is the Dwarf Ghost Plant. And then they have Pachyrhera Moon Silver. And they also have Pachyrhera Claire. And then they have these cute arrangements for $25. If you get them early, they should look good. You can always ask your Home Depot when do they get deliveries. This is a Sedum Aurora. Sedum Aurora. It looks pretty. It's like a big variegated jelly bean. That's what it looks like. This is Echeveria Blue Reef, which I have, and she's been doing really good with all the weather. She's been dealing with it at my house. This one is Echeveria Starlight. This is a topsy-turvy. Here's another Devil's Backbone. But see, it just doesn't say anything. It just says Devil's Backbone. And I don't know if this one gets pink. It has smaller leaves. They have these really pretty looking arrangements. They look in good shape. These don't tend to be so expensive. $30. So yeah, they're $30. This one's really pretty as well. $30. Look at this one with the stressed out Horthia. So yeah, those look really pretty. And they have the big Dusty Rose. It's very Dusty Rose. They have these big ones. These are 13 Neon Breakers. This one is interesting with the wavy looking leaves. So it's the Echeveria Blue Galaxy. Yeah, I don't have as much as Echeverias as I used to, or at least they don't look big like this. I have a Dusty Rose that's a decent size, and then yeah, I have a few Echeverias, but I don't have like a lot. So yeah. Let's see, they have some plants over here. I don't know why these are over here. Maybe they're in the process of putting them out. I like this Home Depot. There's no music over here. So I don't have to worry about that. So these look like they just came in, and this is when you want to grab these because these are a good deal. $17 for how many plants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plants, I believe. So that is really good. $17 for 10 plants. And here's some nice ones. Yeah, these all look good. So they just got in. So this is when you want to buy them. Yep. And if some of them look good and some of them don't, you could switch them around. I know they don't mind because, well, you want to buy something that looks good. Look at this one with all those beautiful heads. I'm tempted about this one. It's got all these different ones that I used to have a few Debbies. Now I'm down to like one. I don't like that they stacked them up on each other like that, messing up the plants. Yeah, there's some Echeveria Debbies. I like them. I like Debbies. They're so pretty. This is really nice to make an arrangement. Just pop it in there. And that's it. So that's pretty. Very tempting, but I'm gonna walk away. Walking away. And then they have some sedum here. And those big pots over there, those usually run like 20 bucks or 25, and they're not looking so good. They've been there for a while. Now let me show you what they have up front. I won't be able to talk because the fan is really loud, so it's pointless. You won't be able to hear me, but at least you can see what they have. Okay guys, that is it. This is my purchase. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.